What if I told you there's an AI that not only creates YouTube videos, but also writes scripts, designs thumbnails, chooses titles, and even uploads and schedules them, and it's actually growing a channel on its own? Pause for dramatic effect. Well, it happened, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how I built a fully autonomous AI YouTube channel that runs 24/7 without me lifting a finger. Let's dive in. The idea started with a question: could AI really manage a channel completely solo? So I built a system. Here's what I used: ChatGPT 4 plus Claude for scripting, Pictory, Runway ML for video generation, ElevenLabs for voiceover, Canva plus Midjourney for thumbnails, TubeBuddy plus vidIQ for keyword research, and YouTube Studio Scheduler for automated uploads. I named the channel AutoVids AI. The goal was to post one video per day for 30 days without ever logging in after launch. Step 1. I created 30 video ideas with trending keywords using AI plus YouTube API search. Step 2. I asked GPT to write 5 7-min scripts per topic, tweaked tone to be fun plus educational. Step 3. Used ElevenLabs to generate voiceovers, realistic, emotional voices with pauses, breaths, and tones. Step 4. Dropped scripts plus audio into Pictory to auto-generate visuals. Step 5. Designed eye-popping thumbnails using Midjourney plus Canva templates. Step 6. Uploaded everything into a scheduler with SEO-optimized titles, tags, and auto-post settings. Done. The results were interesting. Day 1 to 3 views, no subscribers. Day 2 12 views, still nothing major. Day 4. One video started trending on Shorts. Top 5 futuristic gadgets you can buy now. Day 7 to 500 plus views, 41 subscribers. Comments started pouring in like, "This is dope. Where do you get your voiceovers?" AI did this. I hadn't touched the channel since day 0. The AI machine was running the show. Things that actually helped. Shorts had massive growth boost. Thumbnails with emotion plus shock performed best. AI-generated voiceovers were nearly indistinguishable from human. And the fail were: some videos had weird pacing, too fast, occasionally awkward phrasing in AI scripts, and one video had stock clips that didn't match topic, looked sloppy. The key takeaway here was that you still need to guide the AI. It's not perfect, but it's insanely capable. After the first week, I duplicated the system and launched 2 more channels. One focused on finance tips and one on AI tools and news. I connected affiliate links to the video descriptions. Within 3 weeks, the channels got total 3,400 plus subscribers and nearly 90k views plus $200 earned through affiliate links, and the best part? I spent less than 10 hours total after the initial setup. So, will AI replace YouTubers? Not quite, but it can become your team, your editor, your strategist, and your engine. If you're sleeping on this, you're leaving massive opportunity on the table. Smash that like button if this blew your mind, subscribe for more AI experiments, and comment below. Would you watch a fully AI-run channel? Or would you never trust it? This is AI Unlocked. See you in the next video.